my lovely, welcome back to Abby Varieties TV. I realize many people are having issues having to detach their air fryer basket from the main base of the air fryer. I used to be in that category as well because the first time I used my air fryer I found it so difficult and I was literally so frustrated until I finally get how it is done. And I also have a friend who has been using that air fryer for a while now and she never knew the basket can be detached from the base until I showed her how it is done. So I felt this video can be helpful to someone, so I should just film it. So come with me as I show you how to detach your air fryer basket from the main base. To remove it, and here we have the basket and the base of the air fryer. This is the basket and here is the base. So now to remove the basket from the base, to remove the air fryer basket, we will have to push away these plastic bits and then we will be able to see a button here. Now we will press this button down at the same time lifting the basket up. We press down and lift up the basket and here we have it. This is the base and here is the air fryer basket. So to fix it back, we will just push it back in like this, and many people will think it's been fixed this way, but until you hear a click, because if you can, as you can see, this button is still right inside. If it's inside, that means the air fryer basket is not properly fixed, because look at it, see, it's supposed not to be able to come off easily this way. So to put it back, we have to make sure that we fix it right in and hear a click. Just have to put it back this way. Now the air fryer basket and the base is stuck together. So we just put this back and then we fix it back in the main air fryer. And there we have it, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share the video with your loved ones and family. And check out the channel for a lot of air fryer recipes and other recipes, cooking hacks, cleaning hacks, and every other goodies. If you want to purchase this air fryer, the link is below in the description section. Do well to check it out. It's got very big capacity, 6 liters capacity. So I'll see you later in my next video. Bye.